Stop. If you're thinking about buying MiMo AI, there's something you need to know first, because this tool is claiming to replace ChatGPT, Gemini and Claude, and even generate $300 plus per day. But here's the real question: is this actually legit, or just another overhyped AI scam? I tested it, and what I found might surprise you. If you decide to get MiMo AI, make sure you grab it through the link in the description. Because I'm giving away exclusive bonuses worth $5,000 plus. These are not random PLR junk. These are real tools you can actually use to make money. What is MiMo AI? MiMo AI is an all-in-one AI command center powered by 200 plus AI models. It can literally do everything: create videos, write content, build funnels, design graphics, generate voiceovers, and even build apps. All from one dashboard. No switching tools, no monthly subscriptions, no technical skills required. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why this is blowing up right now. Replace tools like ChatGPT, Canva, ClickFunnels, save up to $6,000 plus per year on subscriptions, 30x faster content creation, unlimited usage, no limits, no credits, and one-time payment, no monthly fees. And the biggest thing? It turns simple ideas into money-making assets like Reels, ads, eBooks, funnels, and affiliate campaigns. Inside MiMo AI, you get AI video creator, Reels, Shorts, ads, AI image and graphics generator, AI copywriter, emails, ads, scripts, funnel and landing page builder, AI voiceovers in multiple languages, ebook and course creator, and AI coding assistant. Plus, unlimited prompts, commercial license, keep 100% profit, and cloud-based, works on any device. This is basically like having a full marketing team inside one tool. Honest pros and cons. Now let's be honest. Pros: beginner friendly, all-in-one system, no monthly fees, huge time saver, and great for affiliate marketing and content. Cons: can feel overwhelming at first. Results depend on how you use prompts, and 30x better than ChatGPT claim is a bit exaggerated. But for the price, it's still insanely valuable. Results: what to expect. You can create content daily, launch affiliate campaigns, sell services, videos, copy, funnels, and build digital products. Some people claim $300 per day. But let's be real. This is not magic. You still need action plus consistency. Now this is where things get insane. If you grab MiMo AI through my link, you'll also get Bonus 1 Animasly Powerful Video Maker with Premium Templates. Bonus 2 Prompts Profit Pack 3000 plus high converting AI prompts ready to use. Bonus 3 Side Hustle eBook Goldmine 40 ready to sell eBooks in multiple niches. Bonus 4 Launch your coaching business step-by-step system to monetize your knowledge. Plus more bonuses included, up to 10 bonuses. Total value: $5,000 plus yours free with MiMo AI. So, is MiMo AI worth it? If you want one tool that does everything, no monthly fees, faster content creation, or start an online income, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. Especially with the 30-day money-back guarantee. There's basically zero risk. So if you're interested, click the link in the description, grab MiMo AI, and lock in all bonuses before they disappear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.